the very first time that you open StatementReader, it will look like this. You can go to Options, Advanced Options, and if you go to Engine, you can just verify that the very best PDF parser for searchable PDFs is selected. So we've got MUPDF at the very top, and then StatementReader's external OCR server at the very bottom. That server can be run within your network. So this is why we may request that you select this, and we would give you an IP address to enter in there. So for now, the very first and the very last option are selected. That's about it from the options that we need to just double check. And then if you go to the help menu, you can process a sample job. So this will just double check that the installation has run correctly. You'll see a sample image. It will open up automatically. And then within a few seconds, that data will be processed into Excel. You'll also see a repair summary. So that shows, of course, 100%. And then you've got that raw data within Excel. So that's what should happen if everything is set up correctly.